Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to start a live streaming on YouTube. You can do this from the phone or PC. It's the same process. What you want to do, if you're on your phone, come to the bottom, you'll see this plus icon. Go ahead and click that. And you'll be here either on shorts or videos. What you want to do is slide here to the right and choose live, okay? We can flip our camera just by tapping on this. And you can easily unmute and mute yourself just by tapping on this microphone icon. Okay, you can easily turn off your video by tapping on this, and you can change your orientation as well. But once you're happy, just come here, click on next, choose your audience, whether or not it's made for kids, and then you can go live. Okay, just tap on that, and we are going to go live in about 2 seconds. As you can see, really that easy.